Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to export to Excel and Google Sheets on computer. So how to export to Excel and Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. To export the Sheets file to the Excel format, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the File menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear that you can use. Tap the Download menu. Now here several format options appear. Tap the Excel format. Now wait for the download process to complete. Tap on the top right of the screen here. You can see here that there are already the results of the Sheets file export to Excel. So that's it, the tutorial how to export to Excel and Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.